Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the next lesson in the series. Useful free programs for Windows. In the first part, freeware programs, we looked at so far, the first 3 and then we moved on to the part open source programs and looked at 7-zip. And now we will look at a very good and useful program, LibreOffice. This is a full-fledged Office suite similar to Microsoft Office, which contains several very useful programs. Equivalent to Microsoft Word, to Microsoft Excel, to PowerPoint for databases as well as others. And it's completely free unlike the expensive, highly priced, Microsoft Office. Let's download it. We write libre. That is, until. I write the beginning and it comes out. We open the page, we choose Bulgarian, English, and you see, there is a description here, and we can download it. I press to download the entire package. From here, I select an operating system. And I press the download button. I wait, and I press save. I wait for it to download. The file has been downloaded and is now on the desktop. Let's open it. We wait. Here in this screen we move forward. We leave the typical installation. We leave it here, by default, and now we wait until it installs. Once everything is ready, you see this window and click Done. Now I put a Word file here, to show how it will open. But let's open the program itself first. We'll wait a bit, it's slowly opening. That's it. Here's the initial screen. This is a writer document, and it's like Word. The Calc spreadsheet is like Excel. For presentations and press it's like PowerPoint. And you see more options here. Now I'm going to open the Word file. I open it, wait for it to open, and you see, a similar file opens like the standard Microsoft Word file. It has its menus: File, Edit, View, Insert, Formatting, styles. Now, of course, this is a different program. There are different options. There are more options for some things. I assume that almost all of you have worked with a type of word processing program like Microsoft Word, so this won't be difficult for you. Let's close this. Now here, when we close this file, you see, this is not just a program menu. There are also help files. You see, here are the options for all types of documents. From here, for example, we create a spreadsheet like on Microsoft Excel. This is for presentations on Impress. You see, with a lot of options and things. There's also a drawing program. This is for mathematical formulas. I haven't used that. And we also have one for databases, and here you have to go through this menu. I'm not going to show it right now. That's all I can say about presenting this program. Extremely important and useful for those of you who, I assume you, like me, don't want to pay a considerable amount for Microsoft Office. So this is a great alternative, a free multi-purpose program. It's basically the same that we get here, 6 programs, all of which are supported. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.